Manchester United the boy.
Now so now this name. Be anka say United me this name.
You were in na am feedback. Yeni mami. So bet me join here live on Facebook in 104.5 na ya ka message no at the amawo ewo dwumadi no enso Zeko Mohammed mate me da se no message. Kofi what do na I feel no so. First no do no.
Radio dey inquiry.
First no do no. You see the feedback be in me.
See feedback. So what did you name?
Said him.
Who call na say na who share Betis budget bi.
Betis.
Betis.
Me know this.
But picture hold my share Betis just.
And I'm say me ni Betis me know.
No, you don't go share Betis. Yes, you no pro buy share Betis just Betis. But on Facebook the picture is there.
Me Fiifi. I bet share to am the Fiifi ba.
But picture no ho no ma.
Picture ben
to Facebook am.
Picture ben.
Who share enye ni.
Picture no.
You Betis just in share.
I'm going to just do it.
One kunya we share Betis just. Oh, and no buy no. O be gaga. Betis go share Betis just.
Yeah no mo nya de.
Omo nya de.
Oh yes.
And I'll call much.
Omo nsem fata say so final.
And I'll call much 2000.
Me. Me ko. Una o se mo ntimi a cha ubetua.
Esa ge bank only. Go mo share account.
Dey drey.
Dey drey.
When you so mo share first go na and I'm cut short to me start. Say 2k loading. Unim dey na me planning. Can me be adwuma. Me han o kwabna ne. Me han nipa. Na me sina beti sei. My hand no.
Oh no, we just got about.
Snabeti. Or the me go in and out.
Okay.
And my bedroom 2000. Or the one you know good. Koto envelope white.
A guy now we just got. Say come buy. Me some premium you come back come
me koto envelope white. Say no I'm here give me net damage.
Net damage.
And my church request binti. Just kana envelope na chiri de metro no kwase binti. Net 2000 free.
It's a diga man kwase aro.
I said near do promise yen. Na say Betis free. Obu nye team back. We omo ye dey ba final we sa Betis free. Omo ye dey number final.
Na Anthony now.
Wa ma sa papa.
Na say Anthony be say 3 goals.
Chelsea team go ntimi share Chelsea.
Na who United who timi share?
Wura di Nyankopon.
United who timi share? So who share Chelsea here bi? When timi share? Rich no can say.
I'm disappointed me papa.
This season all of you more underrated Chelsea. Everybody has underrated Chelsea. And the last time I make I don't fault anybody. Intiana Etodebina Nana Mwakumo Dubai Chepomo Ephraim Gazo Fina Dentina. No, I don't fault what Gary Neville will say, what Carragher will say. And I Richard Lucas on G Chelsea project need there. I don't have a problem because baby and a club need FIBA. It was always going to go through those times. Unless they be a more Rudy Echre na. But if you follow this game, you know that you don't get success in a twinkle of an eye. Me and no. I knew that the game was going to start like that. I have never seen any middle table La Liga team in a final. Our only pedigree in Europe to come and beat us where in Walkrow. It's not going to be possible. Me can't say Betis 2 goals. Only 2 goals they count 4-3. Real Betis. Oshia Barca and Madrid. I know. No, you see that's the thing. You see, meaning say, and then me sorry. I said my best in Richard Rebecca so cassette too much, but I forewarned you.
Saying,
me warn you. Just say sha. You'll be tired of me, and I'm uncountable. Me catch you. And I know that they are more the Chelsea for one. I mean, Tiasi no. E Ghana has say. Obi aso you be teasing Chelsea for sa abonkele Chelsea my team. But Chelsea share no more money amoso munye din. I don't munye din. Ani ti onye din.
Now so Betis what you do?
Wa charge cap.
Where Betis?
Senior, chire mu too much. The problem
wait.
Whether or share one wa share cap. Ubo udi ye o the back door ko fan wa kono. Eno one. Iti yese. Mama boys na ninje. Enye nipa omo say according to Enzo Marasco omu ni mode And I will say Chelsea cannot win anything. Chelsea need to be more top 4 in this season. We're improving from last season. With the youngest English Premier League squad, we're qualified to the Champions League. As well as the Conference League, the first one under the Todboli Egbalimo era. So why shouldn't they celebrate? Mr. Rich, I'm with yes, now you have been unfair to Chelsea fans. No? I think that they have every right. Every right. And also Chelsea no kasa nene men kasa no ho. Because baby o wono unru United unru unin nchen. League table no from relegation
conference.
Na league no relegation. Now conference
conference league. Yeah, mobi boda. We don't even want it.
Na
conference. Yeah, the conference. Why we no? Yeah, conference.
Because you for 17 in cover conference. You na won pe. Una wo betima ka so won pe conference.
Yeah, plan yempe conference.
You did this
yemfa conference league nyawe.
Me catch a big no pay. Oh, we feel 2001 ton. I'm 2001 ton me. Betis. But now we current Uchimisha Athletic Club. Na yen. Real Betis. Yeah, pe o senior brothers no next season. Next season. Madrid be share at least 2 English clubs. Then Abasa be share 1 English club. Ye promoting your brothers ni mienu. Umra
Real Madrid.
Any Barca in
Barcelona.
Omunya say
team dey na me baba no we.
You see and the dey say o dey dinner transit do e be yama. Ye pomu ina so away. Ye mo Stamford Bridge away. Map highline bi am ya she.
O kasa o.
I have every right to.
Etina no me person ma shadow. Oh, ade chia. As a Chelsea no like a world class team be a conference league.
Yeah, penny club in Europe. I had all of Euro's competition. A world class.
It's because me enjoy the reason.
What is the reason?
Barcelona, Real Madrid. Yeah, but senior. Also at the trophy. The enemy chose say clubs in the one more. This a conference.
Explanation.
Manchester United have conference in here.
And Madrid,
Real Madrid don't for conference in
when you Madrid, you who was
Real Madrid the conference league.
If Madrid were in the conference, they wouldn't play to win.
How?
It was Monday.
Oh yeah, obe film because I'm fine away.
Wait, now then I'll come.
It over so catch him say.
Oh, then I'll come.
Hold on. Over so catch him say. Real Madrid etui. Now about con the trophy cabinet. Over con conference.
Time you started Champions League teams near 5 no. Did they say that 5 teams spent here money? Did they say that? 80
because I was Champions League.
Yeah, budget. Saturday maybe any chire mu no do so. Biaje. Man ngini din.
Akoti coast league we no pom yan kasana.
And now say go friendly match. Asia 1-0. Now United put the element.
Who team the boy?
Maguire Bobby. Ericsson Bobby. Bruno Fernandes Bobby. Obi Bobby. Yes 1-0.
Meba. The best players no more assemble and boy.
And now United went to Manchester Asia. Asia
who heavy.
Now heavy.
And go for no boy. Betis for no. I'm telling you. Me say Asia for no boy. Omuni bought 10 times than Betis for no boy. Man, I pay the bench.
Aduani wanim di. Wo se me de no di swarodo. Me probi de na so na di. Enje assembly ni. Wo de na si wanim no so a.
Totti match na na.
I know this why.
Totti match no Kofi. Mama can Totti game. Spiritual. I'm telling you. Let me am catch now. Me say spiritual.
Spanky mo say wo Richard wo na chro script e ma kuma wo phone because our story is that okay. Say about spiritual.
Samuel Odunso.
Mami analysis. Let me do it here. Over 7 time ja. It's 4 goals to 1.
Betis.
Nah. I don't know. I think it's a lineup ne buy no. Na nipa bebre worry kakra. And I think rightly so. The fact say na Benoit Bedashile wom and Malo Gusto so started because of Rhys James form no. A lot of people were asking questions say I didn't think that Chelsea could go a big final say na Benoit started but Rich you see sometimes the coaches are in a position where almost per se players no more competition from the beginning. You reward them, and that's why Philip Jorgensen started. Because on to me na Thursday night to be now if you find on a bar, osi obi for na mba bejinem. So the plan was to allow Benoit Bedashile and Chaloba to play. So they can also feel reward. They say competition over your home boy on do final. No, when the final came, they've been asked to play. So he started. I think that the bigger problem was this young Frenchman scored a brand here, friend Malo Gusto. And again, so joining us on a tactical board, I want to tell you exactly how Betis won a control the game in the first few minutes. I mentioned, say, Betis won entirely a bad team. But there are levels to the game. When he's a rich, Adia Bakwan Kofu Bebrede Dra Enzo Maresca Trimo, and he said, when it comes to say or Bobona, or Pesa inverted, now the fullback Akraba inverted, now the right back Aba inverted, and it causes a lot of problems. In fact, to be honest, and that was the reason why Chelsea considered our first goal. No? The intensity wise, Betis were on top of their game. And maybe that's the reason. That's because on Friday, no more match. Only had 2 clear days to rest before our match. When Chelsea had to play on Sunday in a crunch game to qualify for the Champions League. In 2 match now, at the opening, Real Betis were the best team, pressing, counter pressing, winning the ball higher, and getting the job done. I didn't think Maresca pets I inverted fullback chrono. And now I asked that question, and I wanted to find out why. I chanced on Enzo Maresca, Nitiz or Troye in getting the UEFA license A. The title of the thesis was that to control the football pitch just like a chess table, you need to control the center. It's the Enzo Maresca and the football license thesis no. Nitiz or Troye as the final paper no. Or compare football park no to chess. I don't want to compare chess to dummy because but something similar like that.
Yeah, very similar.
Say, who person control dummy board now? Just so control Fiifi and same as football. And on the no matter what, he will always invert one player. And even made reference to the fact that in Man City treble winning season, Sir Libro Ronana John Stones elbow from the back to add to the central areas was an idea from Banter friend Enzo Maresca when he worked with Banter friend Joseph Guardiola. But rich and now. Malo Gusto was not up to it. And I think that a idea affecting him for the whole season. The short passing ain't the best. Who should go the crumple Betis for one share? Malo Gusto came inside here to come and receive the ball, but Betis were very aggressive. Without the ball, no pressing 4-4-2, especially in this central area. And making sure that they will win the ball off Chelsea. And yet Malo Gusto first ball. And I reach a Kubu Kema. Emma Abrentia, your friend, Isco Alacron, catted the ball on the back onto the wide area for Abdi. And then, of course, Real Betis for the show first goal. Which, to be very honest, I think that when the first goal came, almost every Chelsea fan was worried.
Yeah.
Every Chelsea fan. Because first goal betum, how do you turn it around? Which mean, this season, I think that what has happened on Sunday and the final foundation for Chelsea in terms of our projects, to be able to take off. They went to Nottingham Forest to play against the Forest side with and without the ball. Then it got to the point where Chelsea needed a difference maker. Which, you see, me pay the goal now, first goal now Chelsea share, on Facebook. And I want to analyze those goals into again with your radio. So to appreciate, you have to join me on Facebook. Me analyze the goals. Alright, after the game. Kopama say, Omuko half time no. Okache Maresca say Onu Kopama. What exactly what happened? So what is being shown 1-1. I want the first goal. Kopama assist to Enzo Fernandez. Ushe baby Kopama J-Boni free. Once Rhys James came to play as an inverted right back, Kopama moved into the right number 10 area on and on picky ball no area no. I think in this play that is where the goal is going to come from. Baby Kopama J-Boni. Immediately he took the ball, he knew that there is going to be Enzo Fernandez attacking the far post, and then the goal is going to come. It was a brilliant goal from our branch friend Cole Palmer in finding our branch friend Enzo Fernandez and reaching him. Musi Makacho said, Chelsea, Enzo Maresca is tactically astute. And ABI, you don't follow the game as much as you should for a coach like that. Last season, any 2 seasons before, Enzo Fernandez has not scored this number of goals that he has scored at Chelsea. This season, over 21 goal contributions and Enzo Maresca. And the Juma United said, the final box crasher. So Chelsea are attacking from the right-hand side. Enzo Fernandez, the Juma said, in attack, he has to attack the box as the box crasher in that area. And then once Cole Palmer raised the ball, or clipping ball, 2 man pet them pump. But baby and media, the difference making was second goal no setting up Emma Nicolas Jackson. Maybe the young winger didn't replace Abde no market Kopama was naive of what Kopama can do. Right? So Kopama Jibona. Every defender wants to take Kopama to his right foot. You don't want to take him to his left foot. And immediately Kopama could drop his shoulder and then find a space in there. No? And of finding Nicolas Jackson to make it 2-1. At 2-1, I knew that there was no coming back from team my friend Real Betis.
No, me I knew.
Say Chelsea Belgium.
Say baby I connect there. Because sabe na momentum na be dimo.
Yeah.
And na born na za born second half no.
And
Bibia just so much.
And for Obia to understand how Kopama sees this game and the impact of the game. After the game, Kopama could post away. Obi Albo FIFA to send me you understand this picture even without explaining. But on time Mo FIFA, you come on Facebook, I will explain to you. Yeah, you type FIFA rich. Say Ushi Obina say why do you onimba?
You relaxed.
Minia Michael Akomia of Untumi. Obefina say me shena. And me have video in Berman me shena 5-1, 6-1 on yadi.
Okay.
Obefina me shena. Me jiji dem say ya in the first image like this. No ma dia dem. No ma send 3-1, 4-1, 5-1. But etole bia omo muni mmono. No a surprise o. Na bia koye 2-1. Na koye 2-2. Na so be show. In the second half Oba say after you sit upright. No one could say because you are serious. Kopama say first half no. You need Betis but we relaxed. Yeah, dear grass say Betis for they don't meet me because you catch them omo nya. And in the second half, we decided to take the part and control and then do their job. Jadon Sancho by the man by 3-2, and then the best midfielder in area senior Moises Caicedo. A man here 4-1. It's and now there. I mean in Kranibeka Agbena, ye bibia. I reach special thanks to this man, Rich James.
Rich James, yeah.
Winning the trophy as the first time as captain of Chelsea Football Club. And I like the way Enzo Maresca managing. I or that boy Simone Adia will constantly call you and say, I didn't know Rich James no buy no your match, your son's resting. Enzo Rich, thanks to Enzo Maresca. But when several times people have asked questions, say, I didn't know Maresca and Rich James are the natural fullback. And now in an interview, Enzo Maresca say, I didn't know Rich James no Obonesa. And I'll say, Joe, I can promise you. Me pe Kopama Rich James asem and important as Kopama, but I am protecting him. The best thing Chelsea will do for Romeo Lavia, Wesley Fofana, and Rich James from one kind is to manage those players very well because only a proper difference makers. And now everybody from Baghdad, Egbali, from Todd Bowley to everybody understanding that. Right. And you person we are Chelsea here. This is not our destination.
Okay.
But your starting point and it has to be big. So even though your club, Man United for one say and your Arsenal for some more, the 7th season of our league, we win a trophy.
Jenny Bia start with a step.
A correct one. And
step, the step near Champions League.
Next season we win the Champions League.
Okay.
Next season we will compete.
Right.
You be compete for English Premier League.
Okay.
You be part of one pre home. You do want to see what the difference making to do it. We know what we can do.
La Liga for no.
Now,
Rebet is more Munko Europe.
What will you answer? Me, there be no answer. Oh, Mama, you want much in that.
No, no, so plan. And you are going
to expect me a serious. So, and you call bonus my goalkeeper after the was a plan. What's so good as I got?
When your chance we are going, we are to a plan. You poor game away. When I was a more good out to be grand this week. And I do, you know, oh, church. Now, Betis for the mom, I for no. La Liga for more European. No game near share. It was a game of 2 halves. First half, it's good.
Which Betis in
more control game. He come.
Betis in
Master first goal. And I'm a coach also 2K loading.
Which
Uti. You pass second.
Which Betis in Yadi.
And Kofi Akwaji Chelsea for Sika.
Me say and now. Omo predicting my Betis and there are 2 people.
Why?
Either say Nipakoni and Man United ni on Chelsea asem. And I say.
And you no credit.
So boss, mami come asem you.
And I
say. Nipa no believe say. This season. The way a caps ne kono, call for the underdogs or the first timers.
And I say no.
yen underdogs no ni yen so
okay
eni yen so say Spanish club bi akọ Europa okọ final oje eno ye Spanish club papa no we Real Betis Manuel Pellegrini no one krom Sevilla krom ne mbo
okay
the last time you share no 4-1 we so 4-1 there's no way this thing
ko vi untimi nya ho ma me ho
there you know
Scano.
2k no bet me 20 series now they deep banku
oh David
na 20
ade 2000 na ye ho bi ma me as 20
na mama for one no question got to pick a crack man ma bow for one take up me 200 me mama
who consider me o de ti
and no ayala tena ha yes income ni me ya nka mu di bedi wachi e wo officer yes income be this kind man one nka ma order wachi no ye be pon wachi go officer no marry and no achi be say nko betu 500 order table go betu 500 your friend is in another mako betu aka good fellow you know no friend class ah
good fellow so anu anya 5000
o say ah o ka chem say ko fi yen 5000 na Betis die
ai kwa me da kwanso no me use say so no do timi tisi sa
so mu team ne die
ma me nche kwa me da kwanso
na Anthony Okoye
whatsapp papa Anthony ese Betis for ne pam ne free team nim wenra dey say me no me ba studio and I'm a throw video call and I'm catch as chairman go and do the job ukwa no makukura ya akra we edwa so botom ya point ya be friend am say masa
Anthony bro
masa
na so no so
don't call me
there be Anthony Bobero
don't call me
what about this is no petrol
Anthony pa me see me in video call catch him Richardo you just cool down I'll do the job Udu na mi nim se ko ayi akwani trimi na ani fo se de ewu se kukura anu so now the original no mo cheche but if for some from president so mo pam ni fiti onya de
ombam no sam about Man United
we ye nere
Anthony o mu player
ye be pay ayi do ma chiro baby
woni be ko jagaden for one
onko pe coast club bi mona onya de sei ewura de nyakopo na 2000 ko so ntimi nya wo wi ma
oh me se o ntimi
Chelsea for no so ntimi no mo nkana omunya wo he
o pass akora ni betima san bo biem so ni problem nia
you are created you betimi akọ star 281 and star 281 as now what you see option 2 Telisa MTN Sika also do na betwa bi and ye 2000 20 million ba na betwa bi na bibia nya kama